Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and initiating pairing. Make sure your iPhone and Apple Watch have charge, are awake, and are updated. This prevents version conflicts. On your iPhone, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, then open the Watch app and tap Start Pairing. Keep devices within a few feet because Bluetooth range matters. When prompted, center the watch face in the iPhone camera viewfinder so the pairing animation is detected. Once the initial pairing fails or stalls, proceed with more detailed fixes. Restart the iPhone and Apple Watch to clear transient Bluetooth caches. That often restores connectivity. If problems persist, in Settings go to General Reset Network Settings to remove corrupted Wi-Fi or Bluetooth entries, then reconnect. If the automatic camera pairing won't read the animation, tap Pair manually on the watch and follow the on-screen code entry to complete the link. Finish by completing setup steps and confirming sync. In the Watch app, choose settings for Apple ID, wrist detection, passcode, and which apps to install. Let data sync fully before testing notifications and calls. If pairing still fails, unpair from the Watch app, which creates a backup, then erase the watch and restore from that backup during repairing. If nothing helps, consider contacting Apple support. Persistent failures can indicate a hardware Bluetooth module issue that needs repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.